Do you feel like you're in control of your finances? If your answer is no, there is absolutely nothing to be ashamed of, because you are definitely not alone. A study from back in 2018 conducted by the FCA found that approximately half of all UK adults felt like they were not confident when it came to managing their money. And with everything that's happened in the world since then, I wouldn't be surprised if the number had increased further. So how do you become more confident with your finances? Can a financial planner help? In this video, I'll answer the question, is paying for financial advice really worth it for you? My name is Ash. I'm a financial planner based in London, and I help my clients make informed financial decisions to live their ideal lifestyles. If you're interested in booking in a free discovery call with me, head down to the description and you'll find a link to book that in. Before we get started, let me make one thing crystal clear. When we are talking about the value of financial advice, we're not just talking about any old advice. We're talking about good advice. After all, a bad financial advisor could land you in a place which is worse off than you started. So let's start by reframing the question a little bit. Is a good financial advisor worth the cost? Because when you are getting sound financial advice, it does more than just educate you. It speeds up your decision making. And here's the thing about money. The faster you can make well-informed, constructive decisions, the more money you stand to make. So let's dive into this and see just how valuable a good financial advisor can be. Now we're going to run through a few scenarios. So here's number one. Imagine that you're considering buying a home, but you also want to have a child in the next year or two. A financial advisor can help you to create a plan using a cash flow modeling tool, which allows you to allocate money to each goal within your affordability. This allows you to maintain a healthy and happy lifestyle without the worry of running out of money. A one-size-fits-all approach does not cut it in this situation. A good financial advisor will take the time to understand your individual situation and formulate a personalized plan, targeting what really matters to you. Scenario 2. Let's say you have £50,000 to invest. Instead of lumping it all into one investment vehicle, an advisor might recommend that you split your cash between a number of different asset types. This way you can actively work towards multiple goals at the same time, rather than having all of your eggs in one basket and losing the flexibility to act when an opportunity arises. Navigating the investment landscape can be like walking through a minefield. Your advisor can guide you towards a well-balanced and diverse portfolio, making it easier to manage your risk. Scenario 3. Suppose you're in a higher tax bracket. Your advisor will inform you of all the available tax allowances that you can utilize. There are a number of investment wrappers that offer tax benefits, potentially saving you thousands in the long run. Tax efficiency makes the world of difference in your bottom line. Your financial advisor will always optimize your investments for tax purposes, ensuring that you keep more of what you earn. Scenario 4. If you're planning to retire at age 60, but you just don't know whether you're going to have enough money to last, your advisor can produce a cash flow forecast to show you exactly how much you can spend comfortably without running into the red. Retirement planning is a decades-long journey that's filled with complexities. An advisor can simplify this by quantifying your dream retirement in monetary terms, and then reverse engineering a financial plan that ensures that you have adequate income streams post-retirement. Scenario number 5. It's easy to deviate from your financial plan, like dipping into your savings for an unplanned holiday, or selling investments when markets are down. Regular check-ins with your advisor can keep you accountable, preventing costly impulsive decisions. Accountability turns financial plans from documents gathering dust into reality. Sometimes you just need someone in your corner reminding you of the things that you already know. Scenario number 6. When a new child joins the family, the dynamics of your financial responsibilities can change substantially. A financial advisor is likely to recommend an increase in your life cover and possibly the addition of income protection to safeguard your family's future. Life tends to throw curveballs at us. Your financial advisor will always ensure that you have the right amount of protection to shield you and your loved ones from any kind of financial tragedies. Scenario 7. Personal cash flow planning can be a transformative experience for individuals, helping them gain control of their finances, plan for the future, and achieve their life goals. By providing expertise in this area, an advisor can empower you to make smarter financial decisions, leading to increased financial stability and peace of mind. Major life decisions like starting a business or buying a home require complex financial adjustments. Your advisor can help you navigate these, ensuring that your financial plan adapts swiftly and effectively. Scenario 8. A financial planner can act as a catalyst for streamlining your financial management, saving you time and reducing stress by taking on the complexities of financial planning and staying up to date with any kind of changes. Through expert advice, proactive strategy, and ongoing monitoring, you can be freed from the burden of having to navigate the financial landscape on your own. We're all strapped for time, and managing finances can be stressful, especially because we're having to go and figure out a lot of stuff that we were never taught before. An advisor lifts that burden, providing expert guidance quickly and efficiently while staying up to date with industry changes so that you don't have to. Hiring a financial advisor isn't merely an expense, it's an investment into your financial future. To help you find an advisor that meets your needs, I have a video called 6 Essential Questions to Ask Your Financial Advisor, which is a guide designed to make sure that you can always squeeze the most value out of your advisor. From making tailored financial plans, to optimizing your investment portfolio, to minimizing tax liabilities, and ensuring that you're prepared for any uncertainties in life, a competent advisor serves as a powerful ally to your financial well-being.